second graders. So today we are on Eureka Module 4, Lesson 20. So our objective today is we are going to use math drawings to represent additions with up to 2 compositions and relate drawings to a written method. And what that means is that when we see a place value chart and we see our algorithm, we have to make sure that they match. So to remember, we have an algorithm and we have a place value chart. Remember, our algorithm looks like this, 115 plus 85, and you can see that I made my double bundles. And then a place value chart, it looks like this. This is the same problem, but this is the algorithm, and this is the place value chart. So another thing to review, how do you know when to bundle? I know I've said this a lot of times, but you have to remember that we bundle when we have is it 1, 10, or 100? It's a 10. We bundle when we have a 10. So let's go ahead and get started with our concept. So I have 76 plus 27. So I'm going to change it and write it vertically because when we do the algorithm, it's easier to work vertically. And I have a place value chart today. So let's go ahead and make our numbers. So I have the top number, 76, and then I have 27 on the bottom. So let's go ahead and look at the ones place. So I have to ask myself, can I make a new bundle? Well, if I'm looking there, I can see that I have 6 plus 7, and that is 13 ones. So yes, I can make a new bundle. So what do I have to do when I make a new bundle? Well, when I make a new bundle, I have to bundle them together just like that. And then I send one over. I have a new 10 now. So I'm left with 3 ones. So now we're done with our ones. Let's go ahead and put it into our algorithm. So I have 3 ones and 1 10. And remember, there are some grown-ups and other kids that write it up here on top, and that's perfectly fine. Remember, up top or down below. For Eureka Math, we do write it down below because when you are adding and you don't have your place value chart, it's easier to see because you go 7, 2, and then 1. You don't forget about the 1 on top. But if you put it on the top just like your parents do, that's totally fine. Okay, so now it's time to look at the 10s. Now remember, I have to ask myself, can I make a bundle? Well, I'm looking at my 10s and I see 7, and then I see 2, and then I see 1 more. So that's 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 10s. So that means that I can make a bundle. So let's go ahead and bundle those up just like that. And I'm going to send one over. And now I'm left with 0 10s and 100. Now when I put this into my algorithm, I can put a new group below right here, and then when I add it, I can still put my answer like that. I can put 100 and 0 10s. But I do just like to put the number down below, but just know you can do it both ways. So 76 plus 27 equals 103. Okay, let's go ahead and start off on our other problem, and I already have my place value chart ready to go. And I have 42 plus 96. So I'm going to write it vertically. And I have my top number 42, and then I have 96 on the bottom. So remember, our first thing that we do is we look at our ones, and we have to ask ourselves, can we make a new bundle? So I have 2 plus 6. So that's 8 ones. Now remember, that magic number that I want to get to is 10. If I only have 8 ones, can I make a new bundle? No, I can't make a new bundle. So remember, every time you have a problem, you're not going to bundle every time. So all I have to do is I just have to put down 8 ones. I don't have to bundle. Now let's look at our 10s. So I have 4 10s on top and I have 9 10s below. So 4 plus 9 is 13 10s. Can I make a new bundle? And that answer is yes, I can. So here's my new bundle. I have 9 plus 1, and that's equal to 10. So I'm going to go ahead and put my new 100 there, and I'm left with 3 10s. And then when I put my 100 down, I have 100 and I can put it down like that. I can put 103 tens because I don't have any more hundreds to add. So this problem only had one bundle, and that's okay. You're not going to bundle 2 times for every problem that we have. So you have to really look at it. So 42 plus 96 equals 138. Okay, so the purpose of this lesson is to see if we can match the algorithm to the problems that we're solving. So I have a question here for you, and it says, Jessica solved 77 plus 32 on the place value chart and wrote it vertically. Is Jessica correct? Well, let's look at Jessica's work. So here's Jessica's work, and she has 77 plus 32, and she says that it equals 19. Is she correct? Well, so far right here, I see 7 plus 2, and I see that she did not bundle here, but that's okay because 7 plus 2 does equal 9. So she's right. Let's go ahead and look at her tens now. So she has 7 on the top and 3 down below, and it looks like she made a group of 10 and she made a new 100. So did she write that down correctly? No, she did not. It looks like her place value chart is correct, but her algorithm needs work. So let's go ahead and work through her algorithm. So I have my problem here. Jessica made a mistake in her algorithm. Fix her mistake by writing the correct answer. So I'm going to go ahead and help you write the correct answer. Now we see right here that she has 7 ones plus 2 ones, and we know that that just equals 9 ones. So now let's look at her tens. She made a bundle. She did all the work for us. She made a 10. We know that 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. But one thing she forgot to do was make her new group below in her hundreds and write 0 tens. And then she has to bring her 100 down right there. Okay, now when you write your answer, you can just write a 10 right there, and that's perfectly fine. It all fits, but you have to remember that you start a 100 right here. So our lesson is nice and short today, and let's go ahead and take a look at our Seesaw assignment. Okay, on Seesaw today, I have this assignment for you right here, and I have a place value chart, and I did the work for you, kind of like Jessica's work, and I want to know which algorithm is correct. Circle the correct one, but you have to tell me why your answer is correct. So is it this one? Is it 83 plus 29 equals 112? Or is it 83 plus 39 equals 112? So you're going to use your Seesaw tools, circle the correct answer, but you're not done yet. You're going to use the microphone and tell me why. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed our lesson, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.